Hi, this is the demonstration video for CS50Web Project-0 search. Design a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. As you can see, my website has three pages. Index.html for regular Google search, images.html for Google Image Search, and advanced.html for Google Advanced Search. On the Google search page, as we can see, there are two links in the upright of the page to go to image search and advanced search. And on each of the other two pages, there is a link in the upright to go back to Google search. On the Google search page, we can type in a query and click Google search. Like we can type Harvard and click the Google search button, and we get the search results for that page. Like Google's own, the search bar is centered with rounded corners, and the search button is centered and beneath the search bar. Next, on the Google image search page, we can type in query, click the search button, and we can be taken to the Google image search results for that page. Like we can type dogs, and we click the Google search button, and we get the results for our query. And next, for on the Google advanced search page, we can provide input for the following four fields. We can find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. Like Google's own advanced search page, the four options are stacked vertically, and all of the text fields are left aligned. Consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button should be a blue with white text. And when this button is clicked, we are taken to the search results page for my given query. Like we can type university and Harvard, Yale, and MIT, like this. And we get this results page. As you can see, it's almost the same with the original Google advanced search results. Yeah, it's just the same. So it means my own page is definitely correct. And next, on the index.html, add an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. And consistent with Google's own behavior, click this link will take us directly to the first Google search result for the query, bypassing the normal results page. And like we can type in Harvard, and we encounter a redirect notice. This is an expected consequence of a security feature implemented by Google. And next, the CSS resemble Google's own athletics. So this is all of my demonstration for Project 0 search. Thanks.